Hey guys, this is Nelson with Exit Real Estate Consultants, and just wanted to share this video with you about a service that my good friend Will Long, he's with Vent Pros, and he just did to my home, and it's something at the home when we do home inspections we don't normally do as far as what I'm talking about is the dryer vents. So from your dryer, when you do your dryer stuff when you get it out, get all your dry clothes out and you take off that lint catch and you take all that lint out and throw all that nice fuzzy stuff away. Most of that lint does not get all caught up. They actually go through your duct system. So that goes out, hopefully it gets out of your house. But one of those things is it's something that we in the home, when we do home inspections, it does not get done. So if you have an older home, there's some accumulation and buildup in there. So and if there's any obstruction, it could pose as a fire hazard as well. So, or sometimes it may not even lead to anywhere, which Will has shared with me. Sometimes he finds some crazy stuff, and when personal experience from home inspections, we found that the lint actually just gets blown out to the crawl space without not even leaving the house. So it's one of those things that would probably need to get maintained and should get maintained as part of your home cleaning process during out the year. So it's a video as far as how he does it, what the process is, and just kind of it's pretty cool just to see like, oh man, that's a lot of lint in my in my duct. And it was I hate to say it, I'll just tell you, but my wife is probably like she really likes that kind of stuff. So it's pretty cool just to see how much stuff needs to get out of your house. It's a great service. Enjoy the video, and I'll leave the information and contact information for Will Long and Vent Pros, and just check it out and see if it's something that your home might need. Thanks. Enjoy.
Hey everybody, this is Will with Vent Pros, and I want to talk a little bit about having your dryer vent cleaned. This is a service that we offer that a lot of people don't think about until your clothes aren't getting dry quickly, your dryer's not performing correctly, or in the worst case, you could have some type of a home fire. So the way our service works is we come in, we move your dryer away from the wall, and then we're going to send this specialized camera through your duct system. We start from the laundry room, and the camera will go all the way to the point where it exits your house. That allows us to see how much lint is built up in the system. It tells us if there's any repairs needed to your ductwork, and then it also gives us an idea of the best way to get your system cleaned. Typically that's going to involve our brush and vacuum system. We've got a rotovent vacuum that's specialized for dryer vent cleaning. Then we've also got a Y attachment that we're going to use to hook up to your wall. This Y attachment allows a brush to go through, which will brush your line while we vacuum your line simultaneously. Once we've completed that, we're going to send the camera back through the system just to make sure we've got everything out. Once that's done, we're going to vacuum your dryer inside and out, all around your dryer, and then we're going to inspect that transition duct behind your dryer, which typically means we're going to replace it with a brand new one. Our service takes about an hour to get it done. You can call us at 706-799-7942. Email us at ventpros@icloud.com or check us out at vent-pros.com. Thank you.
Whoa, dude. That's the money shot, man.
What's the money shot?
Got the video on that.